Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by powering on the Xbox 360 and your router, then wait a short 30 to 60 seconds so devices initialize. Once done, decide wired versus wireless, plug an Ethernet cable for the fastest, most reliable link, or select your Wi-Fi SSID and enter the password when prompted. Make sure you have your Xbox Live account credentials ready. If you don't, create a gamer tag now. This gets you past prerequisites and into the console's network setup screens immediately. Next, go to Settings, System, Network Settings, and select the appropriate network adapter so the console can see your connection. Run the network test to verify NAT type, DNS resolution, and upload/download speeds. A strict or moderate NAT can block multiplayer, so note that result. Then download your Xbox profile and any system updates. These install automatically and may require a restart. Make sure you stay signed in while updates finish, because the live services need the latest firmware. Finally, validate the link by running Test Xbox Live Connection under Network Settings. This confirms authentication, matchmaking, and voice capabilities. Then launch a party or join a multiplayer match to verify you can communicate and download content. If you hit problems, power cycle your modem and router first, and make sure UPnP is enabled. As a deeper fix, configure port forwarding or place the console in the DMZ on your router. One key troubleshooting tip: clearing the console cache often fixes persistent download or sign-in error.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.